Hello everyone. Ever battled with garlic peels or wished for a magic tool to crush garlic effortlessly? Today we're diving into the top 5 garlic cutters that will revolutionize your cooking. Let's get chopping. Zulay Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set. This isn't just any garlic press, it's a culinary marvel. Made from food-grade, rust-resistant materials, it allows you to extract more garlic paste than ever before without the mess of peels or lingering garlic odor on your hands. Plus, it's a breeze to clean, and its multi-purpose nature means you can crush more than just garlic. Next, meet the ORBLUE Garlic Press, a heavy-duty tool that ensures you can mince garlic with minimal effort. Its professional-grade stainless steel design is not only rust-proof, but also adds a splash of elegance to your kitchen. Whether it's garlic for your sauces or ginger for your marinades, this garlic press minces with ease and is incredibly easy to clean. Gracula Garlic Crusher. Third on our list is the Gracula Garlic Crusher. This isn't just a tool, it's a conversation starter. Made from durable ABS plastic, Gracula fearlessly crushes garlic, keeping your hands clean and your kitchen fun. Beyond garlic, it can tackle ginger, nuts, and herbs, making it a versatile addition to your gadget collection. Vantic Garlic Press Rocker. Introducing the Vantic Garlic Press Rocker. With its innovative arc shape and comfortable handle, crushing garlic has never been easier. Made from premium stainless steel and high-quality silicone, this tool is durable and easy to clean. It's designed for anyone who wants to simplify their garlic crushing process. Chef and Garliczoom Garlic Chopper. Last but not least, the Chef and Garliczoom Garlic Chopper is a time-saving marvel. Its design allows you to mince garlic to your desired texture without getting your hands dirty. It's easy to use, high-quality and dishwasher-safe, perfect for those who value convenience and quality in their kitchen tools. These are the top 5 garlic cutters. If you enjoyed exploring these amazing garlic cutters, you'll love our roundup of the best orange peelers that make prepping citrus a breeze. Check this video out.